Hey y'all, Chris from Dizzy Pig here. I'm here to announce a video contest that we're going to do. I know a lot of people are stuck at home now and hanging out with their families, looking for something to do. They're also cooking breakfast, lunch, and dinner at home, so there's a lot of that going on. But if you want to have some fun, looking for something to do, and perhaps win a little bit of Dizzy Pig, we're doing this little video contest. So we're giving away the works, which is basically all of our main products. We're giving away a pick 7 of your favorites and pick 4 of your favorites. And all you gotta do is pull out your phone and shoot a little video. So here's the deal. Dizzy Pig has been around since 2002. And we've traveled all over the country doing barbecue competitions and events, and we also do classes. I get a lot of opportunities to talk to my customers, and I've heard thousands of stories, and I don't have any of them. I don't have any of them. Unless someone was with me and heard the story, it's all in here. So I want to see your Dizzy Pig story. It could be anything. Someone came running up to me the other day and said, my Raging River, my wife loves Raging River and Mediterranean. She won't put anything else on her food now. Then I hear of these crazy things that people are doing with our seasonings that I never even thought of. People are winning awards. Sometimes it's a chili competition, sometimes it's a wing competition, or even a professional barbecue competition. And I have a story about that. Perhaps their kids are getting into cooking because of our brand and our product, which I'd love hearing that. There's a lot of those kind of stories out there. I think the biggest story I hear is I cooked this amazing meal, everybody loved it, now I want to cook more. So I want to hear your Dizzy Pig story. Have some fun with it. I'll keep it to less than a minute if you can. And I look forward to seeing what y'all come up with. Have fun.